Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got another unboxing to share with you, and this is a bi-monthly box, and it's the Natural Wellness box. This is how it arrives in the post. Got my address on the back there. So as always, if you know everything there is to know about the Natural Wellness box, I'll just give you a quick lowdown telling you all about it. But if you've seen it all before and you're just curious in seeing what I received inside this box, then I'll add a timestamp down below in the comments so you're free to flick forward. So the Natural Wellness box is a bi-monthly beauty box. Well, it's a beauty, lifestyle and snack box. The aim of the box is to make you feel healthy and beautiful from the inside out. The box costs £35 and that includes free shipping within the UK. They do ship to Europe for an additional £9.95. All products in the box are cruelty-free and vegan, and inside each box you'll receive between say 5 to 7 items. This is their March-April box, and if you'd like to see past boxes, they do have them on their website. So all links and everything related to this box and any codes I can find I'll pop down below, so underneath this video, so you show more. If you click that, that'll bring up description and everything will be listed down there. So I think that's it. If I've missed anything out, I'll pop it down in the comments. But let's get on to open it up and showing you what I got inside. That's what it looks like there. So we got a little leaflet, and this tells you everything about the products inside the box, plus it gives you the cost as well. So I'm able to tot it up and tell you at the end of the value of the box. So I'll be referring to this as we go along. There, I'll give you a quick sneak peek first. What's under there? Theme for this box is the Goddess Collection, and it says reveal your inner goddess, embrace your natural beauty, create the perfect harmony. This box was kindly gifted to me in exchange for showing you and telling you all about it on my channel. I've received a few of these boxes now, and it's one of the boxes I do really look forward to receiving because it's a little bit different. So if you're into natural beauty and lifestyle, then I definitely recommend you checking this box out. So the first item I got is this gorgeous packaged, it's a Skin Alchemist Apothecary. And what's it say? Sensine Rejuvenating Facial Elixir, and it's 30 mils. Look at that packaging, isn't that gorgeous? Look at that. That is fab packaging, isn't it? La la. So that's what it looks like there. Just try a bit on my hand. Oh, it smells absolutely gorgeous. Oh, it smells lovely. So, whoa, this is worth £85. Distilled with the most potent ingredients from the rainforests or the Caribbean to create a natural mood-lifting perfume which connects with your heart chakra. This vitamin cocktail repairs, nourishes and rejuvenates the skin whilst calming sensitivity and revealing a lifted, brightened and glowing complexion. Oh my gosh, 4 to 6 drops between your hands and deeply inhale. Swipe hands over your visage, then push and press this delicious elixir over your face, forehead and neck. Oh, that just sounds so luxurious, doesn't it? And it smells gorgeous. Oh wow, £85 though. Wow. So that's the first item in the box. Ah, this is the third time I've had one of these, and they're lovely. They are really nice. It's a Bumble Zest Chamomile Lavender Spirulina. Never can say that word. Spirulina. Half a lemon, mint, cinnamon, Himalayan salt, drop of maple. It's vegan friendly, only 15 calories, and we've got 60 mils here. I've had them in other subscription boxes this month. And it is really nice, really nice. I love anything that contains mint. Not so keen on cinnamon, but it's very subtle. It's more like mint and lemon. Oh, I just have to have some. That is really nice. Can't remember the information about it though. What can I tell you? It's a Calm and Comfort health shot, and it's worth £1.99. And it just goes on to telling you the ingredients, and that's saying that it's a natural blue hero superfood. Next we've got something for the hair, and this is Hair Nourishing Balm by Ovio, and it's all natural, and it says here, tame your flyaways, control your frizz, a herbal conditioning balm for dry, unruly or coarse hair with nourishing oils and aloe vera. And we've got 50 mils here. The packaging is lovely. Oh, that's nice. It is nice. Yeah, it's exactly like a facial cleansing balm, that type of thing. Oh my gosh, it's just melting in my fingers. It just looks like white chocolate. Can you see that? That's lovely. Smell is really nice. So this Hair Nourishing Balm is worth £14. It says enriched with powerful herbal extracts, sesame seeds, cedarwood and lemon peel oils, cocoa butter, shea butter and much more. This nourishing balm replenishes dry hair, intensely hydrates it, locking moisture into the cuticle, resulting in luscious, shiny, frizz-free hair. So you got something for the hair? Ooh, what's this? Fit Pit Woman. Oh, it's a natural deodorant. Okay, 100% organic natural deodorant is handmade in England by the Green Woman. It's naturally perfumed with rosemary and bergamot and is suitable for vegans. Apply a pea-sized amount with fingertips to underarms in the morning or after bathing. Melts on contact with warm skin. I've tried one of these before. And oh my gosh, that looks gorgeous. Just sorry, you cut me mid-sentence. Look at that, it just looks like a cake. Look. Oh. Oh my god, I find things like this so satisfying. Like with that hair balm as well, it's just, oh, I just want to get my fingers in there. I can't smell anything because I've got that oil on my hand. I don't know, is it, has it got eucalyptus in it maybe? Yeah, I've tried one of these before and it didn't work on me, unfortunately, but I haven't tried this particular one. I haven't been wearing any roll-ons or body sprays, anything like that, for a very, very long time. I do have them, so say if I'm going somewhere like a meeting or something like that, and yeah, and it's hot, and obviously I don't want to smell, so I'll use it then, but day to day I don't use it. I really, really like the idea of a natural deodorant, so I'll give this a go, see what it's like. I really do hope it works. It feels amazing. This 25ml pot is worth £2.50, but to buy the larger version of 100ml it will cost you £10. And it's award-winning natural deodorant, lightly perfumed with rosemary and bergamot essential oils. Oh, it's bergamot, I can smell, not eucalyptus. And then it goes on to telling you how to apply it, and it says no waiting time to dry and no white stains either. So yeah, so we got a natural deodorant. Then we've got original formula, daily nutrition for an energized body and mind. Oh, a supplement. I thought it was like tea or something like that. It's not. It's formulated by our expert nutritionist. Nourish, balance, restore. 10-day supply. 60 capsules from Equi London. So there's a little pouch there. Providing complete body support to improve overall well-being and offset a busy modern lifestyle. Take 6 capsules a day. That is quite a lot, isn't it? Optimal intake, 6 capsules per day, consumed after food, split between meals if preferred. Okay, gosh, let's see how big they are. Oh, they're not too bad. I've had larger supplements. At least they got like a coating, so they'll go down easier. So you've got to take 6 of them. So maybe like 2 in the morning, 2 in the afternoon, 2 at night. It says here, take up to 3 capsules per day on here. So I suppose you could take between 3 and 6. And a 10-day supply would cost you £19. That's quite a lot, isn't it? Stay focused thanks to the power of iron and iodine, as well as Siberian ginseng. And let vitamin C and zinc support your body's immunity. The original formula also contains B6 to help combat hormonal niggles and supports the gut, meaning total synergy between every system. So you got some supplements. Next we've got a makeup product. I don't think I've ever had a makeup product in this box before. So this is by Benecos Natural Beauty. It's a natural fresh bronzing duo. Ooh. And it's in shade Ibiza Nights. It says here, bronze and blush combined for a fresh, sun-kissed look. They're nice colours actually. Yeah, the bronze isn't too dark, it's just nice and warm. And that blush is gorgeous. Yeah, no, both shades I would wear. Definitely. It'd be interesting to see the bronzer, how well that blends on my skin and how well it is buildable. You don't want a bronzer to make you look like dirty or muddy or patches and things like that. So some of them do, so you've got to be careful. But I've never tried this brand before, but no, I'm excited to give it a go because those shades do look nice. To buy this, it will cost you £6.95. Enhance your natural glow with this duo, suitable for all complexions, the perfect combination of a fresh blush and a silky bronzer to give your skin that sun-kissed glow. So got that. We got a, oh, what's this? This is coming off. Oh, this looks cool. What is this? Nikki Hill Apothecary Therapeutic Loose Leaf Tea, hand blend and crafted. Female hormone tea. Place 1 heaped teaspoon into a teapot or infuser. Add 1 cup of boiling water. Allow to infuse for 5 minutes or longer. Strain and serve. Drink 1 to 3 cups a day. Yeah, this is a little sample to buy the full size jar, which I can't see what the size is, but it will cost you £14.95. It helps ease PMS, mood swings, fluid retention and period pain. Regulates the menstrual cycle, uplifting and balancing, gorgeous tasting. I love the packaging. That is lovely. And lastly, got something to eat. Got a bar of Rocky Road, almond Rocky Road, oat biscuit chunks, raisins and almonds covered in creamy cocoa coating. It's vegan, gluten-free by the Unrefined Bakery. Oh, wow. So to buy this, it'll cost you £1.80, and then it just goes on to tell you the ingredients that I read off the front there. So no, I'll have that later on. So those are all the ingredients. Those are all the products. So I'm just going to gather them all up and I'm going to add them all up. Can't hold them all properly. We've got 8 products inside this box. This is a bi-monthly box that will cost you £35. The total value for this box comes to around £132, which is way over the cost of the box. It's this little oil here. That's what bumps up the price, because it's £85. But yeah, so we've got the face oil, we've got a natural deodorant, we've got a hair mask, we've got 10-day supplements, we've got some herbal teas, we've got a Rocky Road bar, we've got a bronzer, plus we've got... Whoop! Plus we got this little drink here, which I'm going to finish in a little while. So you're looking at everything all together. I think it's a really good box again. It doesn't really disappoint me. I think it is a really, really good box. Just really nice. I just love the mix of them. Plus I love trying new products that you don't see in other subscription boxes as well, because some... Alright then, yeah, I have had this. This is the 3rd one I've had this month, so this obviously Bumble Zest are doing their rounds with subscription boxes, but I like it. I am really happy to have it. It's quite refreshing, and I'm going to finish that in a minute. But yeah, I love the fact that you have something to eat, you have something to drink, not always, but generally something to eat, something to drink, supplements, and yeah, you've got, it's lovely. I just think it's a really nice mix of beauty, skincare and makeup as well. But as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this box? Have you received it? How do you think it compares to previous boxes? Or if you're watching this wondering if this is a box for you or not, what do you think? Or is it a box that you like, or is it a box that, nah, it's not for you? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know, so please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.